bit in Charlotte, Leisha, Mairead, Harry, agus John. Lads, is we point saltas in charting?
Yeah, it's brilliant on that.
Damai. Agus the Leisha and Shaw Gullivace the Comorthas, Cora Gaelic Amora. Leisha will to nervisha? Moi Gersa. Okay. What is your tune doing?
Shatter.
In Tamai. Hop. A Maya Inish ag na rangna is SCOIL EIGSE agus tamid seo le Jude, Riha Valley is Armagh. Jude, could you remember that thing?
Tell me good
Did you enjoy it and charting? Are you having the best week ever?
Yes.
You're really enjoying it?
Yeah.
And tell me, do you have a wee flash story for us?
Yes, it happened yesterday when we were out busking. My friend had to go home because it was late and all various reasons. And then we didn't know where to put his share of the money when we had divided it. Okay. My dad pulled a pair of dirty socks out of his pocket and said, "Why not keep them in here?" But thankfully, don't worry, they're not in there. They're in his coat pocket.
Tamid in Charlotte Dylan Foley to shake me noon wrong Fidgel and Shaw to SCOIL EIGSE. Dylan, how are you getting on? How are you enjoying the week?
Having a great week.
This is your 12th flat. Tell me now, surely you have some funny stories for us.
Yeah, so 2 years ago when I won the All-Ireland senior fiddle.
As you do?
I had a friend coming in late to the flat and he totally missed my competition. There were like 2 people left in the room and he just asked some random guy. He was like, "Oh, who won the fiddle competition, you know? Like who won it?" And he was like, "Oh, Jesus, some big lad from the States, you know?"
That was cute.
So then he knew that it was me, so he got all excited, you know?